Something wrong with my throat. I think there's a goblin in my throat because I sound so crunchy. I feel so crunchy. My face is warm. I think there's something wrong with me because I have a crunchy laugh and I'm scared. When I come tomorrow, I can't speak, but can you please comfort me? Please. I'm so scared. Where are you? If you're dead, then I'm sorry. My throat hurts. I'm on the verge of crying. And my teddies exploded. I lost my teddy, and I can't find it. I can't find Timmy. I can't find Timmy. I have a teddy called Timmy, and I can't find him. I miss Timmy. I lost my Timmy. My teddy bear called Timmy Thompson. I miss him.